Last thing I want to focus on is payment processes all day. With all the stuff already going on, client results, marketing, all that stuff. Today I'm going to show you how I structure everything, my payment processes, so I can easily get MMR coming in every single day, how I structure things. And it's going to be a short video, guys. I'm going to show you two things I use. Simple as that. My name is Paras. I live in Vancouver, Canada. I came to this country 5.5 years ago. Just loving it. Starting my business about 2 years ago. Now I do this full time. And this is what I do as a passion, and I love it. So let's get started. If you're a high ticket affiliate or a coach who is planning to go into MMR and want to scale to $10,000-$20,000 a month, this can really help you out. Because at the stage you're gonna come as even an affiliate or a coach, as a coach, you run your own offers and you need payment processors. We're gonna talk on that today. So first thing you need is Stripe. With only Stripe, you can't do anything. And with only this, you can't do anything. But if you have this combo of these, this is free. Stripe is free because they charge. When you get the payment, they charge a portion of money to get you into your bank account. And pay funnels, if you set it up in a way, it's really easy. I'm going to show you both softwares, how I use things, and it's going to be really easy for you. So I was struggling for a month to figure this thing out. So I thought I should make a video on this. So this is called pay funnels, guys. It's $18 a month. Name of the product, what are you selling, description, one-time payment, recurring, simple as that. You can change the how much you want to charge here, every single thing. Then you can go to advanced options to which currency you want to charge. I can go to, we all sell, USD, right? I can go to USD, I can quantity, every single thing, make the payment, invoice. It's really simple, but before this, you need Stripe. Stripe, I can't open my account because of the client information and all the payments and stuff, but I can show you, like, it's really easy to set up. Stripe is really easy, but you need pay funnels with that to really make the combo really work nicely. Because here you see this, you can assign recurring payments, especially I mentioned MMR. If you want to go into the MMR game, monthly recurring revenue, if you have this, it's really good. Then firstly set up your Stripe, then set up your pay funnels. How you want to set it up is going to show the invoices here. So it is really easy. You copy paste the payment invoice and you can easily send to your potential clients, right? Then payments are here, subscription, it's going to show you all the balances, and here you can see your dashboard. For example, like how it's going and revenue and all that stuff. It's going to show you every single thing. Payment bounce, payment in, payment successful, payment in your bank account, every single thing. Any questions, guys? This is, want to make it really simple. These are two things you need to set up your MMR, getting started. Hope this video got you some clarity how it works. Any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Would love to answer. But this is something pretty easy, and you can find a lot of videos on YouTube too. But this is really simple, that if you have this, you are not going into rabbit holes, all that stuff. Really simple, two things you need. They're gonna take care of everything. They're gonna charge a little bit of payment. That's all. Super easy, good to go. Have a great day. And guys, if these videos bring you a little bit of clarity in your business, please subscribe. If you like my video, I really appreciate that. And we have this free community too, where I go in details how you can go in the business, how you can go from 0 to 20K a month, sharing my whole journey basically, and videos, interview with millionaires, all that stuff. I will put a link in the description below. Hope to see you in. Have a great day. Bye bye.